Good morning, dear students. Myself Amit Yadav, and today I will teach you about the poem "The Voice of the Rain" by Walt Whitman. It is very interesting poem that is composed by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman is known as the national poet, the poet of democracy, who wrote on small topics just like grass. You can find grass is a small topic, but he wrote a lot of poems. And now I am starting this. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower. Keep in mind, here the poet is saying that here he is sitting and outside his room the rain was falling. So now he asked to rain, who art thou? Who art is here? It is an ancient word that means are. And thou, Thou, thou means you. It is also an ancient word. So now he asks, who art thou? Means, who are you? And now, said I, who is I here? I is here, poet. To the soft falling shower. Soft falling shower is known as the rain. And after it, which strange to tell, gave me an answer as he translated. Now, it is very surprising, it is very strange that rain was giving the answer. So it is translated in English. It is written here in the form of poem. Now it is based on personification because rain is personified as a human being. How is the poet feel that rain is giving the answer? Because many times I told you that poet always imaginative. They always think that we cannot imagine because poet is very imaginative. They are not living in realistic way, not a real world. They create their own world that is full of imagination. Now, I am the poem of earth. It is said by the rain. I is here rain. Rain says, I am the poem of earth. And said the voice of rain. It is the voice that was listened by, that was heard by the poet. That the rain was giving the answer. That it is the poem of the earth. Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. It is right. Impalpable means unclear, untouched. Because everybody knows about the water cycle where rain always comes from the sky. But what is its origin? Its origin, it goes in the heaven, in the sky, in the form of water vapor. We cannot see, we can't touch it. But after reaching in the sky, it creates the shape of cloud. And after it is uncertain because the cloud's shape is not certain, and now it is falls on the ground in the form of rain. Upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed. Vaguely means unclear because when it reached on the sky, in the sky, now it creates the shape of cloud. That is unclear because it is not certain, it is not clear. And altogether changed. And at the same, sometimes may be changed because if you have seen a lot of clouds, they will not be certain. They will be changed. They will be changed each other. And I descends to live. Live means wash. L-A-V, live. Live means wash. The drops, atomies, dust layers of the globe. It is right. When it falls, it wash all type of dirt, all type of dust layers, all type of pollutions. Because you can take one example. You have one scooty, you have one car, and after some time you find a lot of dust particles on it, its body. But when you wash it, that time you will find that it is full of brightness. Its color is shining. Means same as here rain. When after the summer, when each and everything is full of dust, full of pollution, that time rain falls on the earth to beautify the earth, and it washed each and everything on this earth. Globe is here for earth, for whole world, and all that in them without me were seeds only latent and born. It is right. Without water, seeds will only latent, unborn. It will not be sprout. Because suppose that if you have a lot of lot of grain, it cannot be sprout without the help of water. So same here, rain always work as a in the irrigation to beautify, to sprout the grain of the crop. And if rain will not fall here, water will not be here, means no plant can be produced without water. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin, and after forever, by day and night, it may be any time. Rain's arrival time is not certain here. It may come in daytime, it may come in night time, any time it can come on this earth. I give back life to my own origin, and now after it comes and it mixes up with its origin. Origin is here, this earth. This earth is known as the origin of rain, because in the form of water vapor it reaches in the sky, and there it creates the shape of water, sky, clouds, and after it falls on this earth in the form of rain, and make pure and beautify it. And after, when it washed, the earth is washed by the rain. That time in true mean it washes the particles, it washes the particles of dust and dust layers from the earth to beautify it. Because after the rain you can find a lot of greenery everywhere, and for some issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, dully with love returns. Keep in mind, these two lines are not related to this poem. Here poet is comparing to his poem with the music. Same, his poem is read by many persons, but its origin is known as the poet himself, because poet has created this poem, poet has composed this poem. Same condition is here for this, because the music always created by the musician, and always it is read and it is listened by a lot of persons, but after it belongs to its own origin. Same condition with rain. So now poet got success to compare his poem with music. So thank you so much. If anybody has any problem, you can discuss with me in comment section. Thank you.